Looking back at the last point, that what's one thing that you have done differently as a privacy and compliance leader? Any pointers that you would like to share? That would be our final question on the day, on the topic that we are discussing.
Okay, I mean, if you ask me, if I look back, maybe I would have picked up, storytelling as a tool for a cultural change, right?
Mm.
Because if you just make a plain vanilla framework or the practice, privacy practices within organization, I mean, people will lose interest. So you need to make them understand through real life scenarios. So what are the impacts because of a data breach, or what are the impacts in case if they are mishandling the data or misusing the data, and so on, so that these things can help compliance missteps and so on. So for example, if people are working on some upgrade activities or migration of data from one platform to another platform and all, so how cautious they have to be in handling those data, right? So I mean, both platforms might not support the same data structure. So those kind of real life scenarios we have to train the engineers so that they are cautious, and then they understand the impact better. I mean, if you just implement a framework and ask them to go through it, they would just go through it and then forget it, right? So that's what I would say.